Welcome back to my channel. In a previous video, we have solved up to electric field, that is a minus delta V minus dou A vector upon dou T. So moving further, now we have to solve for delta dot E is equals to rho by epsilon, which is a first Maxwell's equation. It is a first Maxwell equation. So we know that E can be written as minus delta dot V. Just substitute here. So delta dot minus delta into V is equal to rho by epsilon. So in a previous video, we have derived that E is equals to minus delta V minus dou A vector upon dou T. You just need to substitute this over here. So I have written it a extra term. So no need to write this. You can skip this and you can write directly this one. That is delta dot minus of delta into V minus dou A vector upon dou T. Okay. So bracket close is equal to rho by epsilon. So just multiply this minus delta square into V. So minus delta into dou A vector upon dou T, which is equals to rho by epsilon. Can I take a minus outside? So if I take a minus outside, delta square V plus delta, I am going to take it here. So dou by dou T delta dot vector A is equal to rho by epsilon. So I am taking this minus sign over here. So the remaining term is delta square V plus dou by dou T delta dot A bar is equals to minus of rho by epsilon. So from the Poisson equation, from a Poisson's equation, which is given by delta square pi is equals to minus rho by epsilon. Okay, so this is a standard equation. In terms of pi, we have a V, that is delta square V is equals to minus rho by epsilon. Okay, so this thing you need to remember. So this is up to the clarity of Maxwell's equation first. So I hope you understood. This is a very simple. So once I will revise for you. So we have to consider the Maxwell's first equation, delta dot D is equals to rho by epsilon. Then we know that you don't need to write this. Directly you can write in previous only we have derived E is equals to minus delta V minus dou A vector upon dou T, and just substitute it here, and the thing is equal to rho by epsilon, and just multiply this delta to the bracket and we get this term, and after that we have to take a minus sign and we have to send it to the RHS and we get the final equation which is equivalent to Poisson's equation. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing. All the best.